Welcome crafters, Michelle here. I have a fun and easy Halloween DIY for you today. In today's crafting adventure, we're going to be making a pair of ghosts. Now these ghosts are perfect tabletop decor to go on a side table, down the center of your dining table, or up on a mantle. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make them. Let's put together the foundation for our two ghosts. You're going to need to take a visit to the floral department at Dollar Tree. You'll need one package of the rounds. You get two pieces in here. They are 4.8 inches in diameter. You're going to need two of the round balls. They are 2.8 inches in diameter. And then you need two of the styrofoam cones. I have everything unwrapped. The foam trees are 6.9 inches. You're also going to need some toothpicks or a wooden dowel rod and some hot glue. The toothpicks are just going to help us keep everything together. So on the bottom of the tree here, you want to add two toothpicks. Then you want to place that right in the center. We're going to add some hot glue. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just somewhere in the center. And we're going to add two more here at the top. Push them down at least halfway. Add a little more hot glue, and then add one of your spheres. And here's your foundation for one of your ghosts. My base is ready to go. Now to drape our base, I'm going to be using one of the Driver's Choice Super Soft Microfiber cloths. These are 16 inches by 24 inches. I just picked it up. So far they're still $1.25. So you want to find the center and place it over the head of your ghost. And then you just need to work with the folds. This ghost is going to be holding a cute little pumpkin. So I want to make sure that I have some fold here so that I can put a pumpkin in. And then I don't want this edge to show, so here at the bottom I'm going to just curl that under, and that makes it the perfect length. Then I can attach it to that. So here in the front I'm going to start to attach. Just kind of fold under and glue to the round on the bottom. In the description box below is a detailed list of all the tools and materials used in today's project. So I just want to tack down the very front, and I'm going to do the same thing to the back, tack that down as well. So now I know I have perfect amount of fabric to cover all the way around my ghost. And now you just need to work with the folding. Let's open this up. I'm going to remove the little clip down here. So I want my ghost to hold the pumpkin. Just going to add a little bit of hot glue once I find my folds. So I have two folds, and that's what's holding the pumpkin. And now I can use the rest to kind of pinch and fold down until I have the correct shape that I want. And I'm going to do the back here first. So I'm going to move all of this forward and finish tacking down the back. I'm going to be pulling all that backwards, so I want to make sure this is tacked down. Plus this bottom part will then wrap around and make it look nice and clean from the front. So I'm going to continue to kind of fold under and tack down the bottom here. Enjoying today's content? Please show your support by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and sharing the video with your friends. Okay, so this is the front piece. That was the back piece. Did that to both sides. So I just kind of lift up, put a fold in, and pull down. And then tack it down in the back. Enjoying the content and want to see more? Make sure to hit the subscribe button. When the notification bell pops up, if you hit that too, YouTube should let you know every time I upload new content. Once you have those folds in, then take the bottom piece, turn it under and pull it back, and kind of tuck everything in and glue down to where you like it. I have some extra fabric there, so I'm going to cut it off, leave a little bit so I can roll under the edge. So I have both of my forms covered. This is my little girl with the pumpkin. And then my little boy, and he has the little trick-or-treat bucket that looks like Frankenstein. So you just work with your folds, pull them down, glue them down. You want to make sure that you get an element attached if you're going to have your ghost hold an element, and then fold around that. But I'm really happy with both of those, so it's time to give them a face. You'll need a piece of black felt and a good pair of scissors. Now I want my eyes on each ghost to be relatively similar, so I'm going to fold it and cut both of them at the same time. And it's up to you if you want your eyes to be more oblong, if you want them to be round, or even if you want them to be a little different shaped. Maybe you want your ghost to look like he's mad or happy. So you want to cut out eyes and a mouth for each of your ghosts. So I have my little faces cut out, and I just have them laying on my ghosts there. Oop, the eye just fell off. This is going to help me make sure I get my placement right, and then I like the way the face looks. Once you're happy with it, then go ahead and glue those directly on. Now for the little girl, I'm just going to add a cute little basic one loop bow. Use some floral wire to tie it, and this really cute ribbon I picked up from Dollar Tree. I just made a tiny little bow. Alright, we are all done with our little girl ghost and our little boy. I think they are both absolutely adorable. Very, very cute. I think I'm going to put a little bit of, hang on. So I'm going to put a little bit of the decorative shreds. You can get this over in the wrapping section where you get all the paper and stuff. Yep, I like that better. I like that much better. Doesn't he look adorable? Now they are both all dressed up and ready to go out for Halloween. What a fun, quick and easy Halloween DIY. I think my set of ghosts, both boy and girl, are so adorable, and they are all dressed up and ready to go out trick-or-treating for Halloween. If you're looking for more Halloween inspiration, please check out my playlist by clicking here. If you're looking for fall inspiration, you can check out that playlist by hitting here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you should do so by clicking on this icon. When the notification bell pops up, you should hit that. That way YouTube will let you know every time I upload new content. Have a great day, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.